Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn of JessicaLynnOriginal Studios, and today I am so excited. I'm going to take you on a tour of our room at the Wilderness Lodge. We were lucky enough to get to stay in one of the DVC resorts. It is a studio, and it was part of Copper Creek. Copper Creek is the one that's actually associated right to the main lodge building. I will tell you, we have stayed in Boulder Ridge, which is the one off to the right hand side, and Copper Creek is completely the way to go. I absolutely loved coming right out of our room area and being immersed right into the lodge. Not to mention, if you decide to do the refillable mugs, it's a really quick walk, and if you're not sure what the walk looks like, I do have a video that I can show you, and I'll link it up to the upper right. I'll also put it down below for you to take a look at. So let's go ahead and we will get all set. Now, when we first walk in, you go to the right and you check in. Our room was available. So excited. If you have your Magic Band all synced up, it will actually let you right in. And let's go ahead and take a tour. Hey guys, this is Jessica Lynn from JessicaLynnOriginal Studios, and today what we're going to do is we are staying in a Disney Wilderness Lodge studio. Now this is the walk-in shower version, so we're going to go ahead and take a look around. I'm going to point out a couple of things that I think will be really helpful, so let's go take a look. Alright, when we first walk in, obviously you've got your door, you've got some lights, you've got a really fun sliding door here, so let's just see what that does. Oh, and this, look at, okay, this is cool. Look at a nice big full mirror like this. So like if you're getting ready for the day, super nice. We'll go ahead and take a look and see what's over here on the right hand side. Now for us, when we do the DVC, we really like it because obviously get your extra pillows, blankets, place storage, etc. But what we really like about the DVC is we'll actually order from like the grocery store, and then it has, now the studio doesn't have a full big kitchen, but it has some of the things that we love, like a microwave, sink, coffee maker, a much larger fridge. So we've got a bit more space, which we really like. And one of the things I'm going to share with you in here now, you can see one thing that we realize is they do a lot now since COVID, they do plastic silverware. So when we order from Walmart or Target, we'll actually order extra like plastic bowls. And because it is back to school time, they have a lot of like 50-cent or dollar bowls that are just nicer than just plastic. Great for storage. Okay. See, again, lots of storage, and you can see it's all like plastic. So I will do a video where I'll show you kind of what we got from Walmart. But again, toaster. What else we got up there? We got an ice bucket in the other one. Super nice. Really love the Wilderness. It is our favorite hotel. Now we were blessed because when we got here this morning, our room was already ready. So super excited. So let's take a look at the bathroom. Super beautiful. Look at those gorgeous floors. Hello. All right, let's take a look over here. Now this is the walk-in shower, and I need to figure out, there we go, there's our light. So again, we've got some tiki art, which I love the totems. I think they're so beautiful. Wilderness Lodge is my favorite. Obviously a bathroom. Now the walk-in version, let's take a look at this. This is a very different shower. Oh, I love this. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we've got all the Disney shampoos on the wall. We've got our let's hang our clothing. It has a rain shower and a handheld. Now the big difference here is there's no tub, so you can see there's like a place to put your foot. But this is, oh, I really like the walk-in version, because look at this, like this big glass, beautiful doors. Let me just take a step back so you can see how that looks. Super nice. Oh, I love this. This is cool. All right, beautiful counters. Again, more storage and space. Hair dryer somewhere, I'm sure. There we are. Dun, da, da, da. Let's see what's in our storage here. Now, we ended up staying here. We're going to be here for a whole week, so I cannot wait. So this is going to be home for quite a long time. Now, one of the things that I really like about this, now we have younger kids. So for us, a couple of things, like we've stayed at like Pop Century and some of the other ones, like even the Riviera that has that trundle bed that comes down off the wall. Not necessarily a huge fan. For example, like Pop Century, one of the things I don't like is that I don't have a regular table. Now, not a huge deal, but when you have kids, you know, I want a place for them to be able to eat. And again, we're not in a 1 or 2 bedroom, but by being in a studio, we at least get a place for them to kind of hang out. Beautiful mirror, nice lamp up there. Love that it says welcome. Oh, love seeing this. This is fun. I've seen this online. Such a fun dresser, very hodgepodge, kind of fun. It feels all like reclaimed wood, so I really like that. So again, here we are. Welcome to the Wilderness Lodge. Looks like this room could be an adjoining room. For us this trip, it is not. But let's take a look around before we go outside. Here is our bed. So we've got this bed. It comes with, oh, these are cool. Look at this. Okay, so we've got the railway, Artist Point, Cubs down. Okay, so these are all different things here. So there's Copper Creek, that's where we're staying. Might have to go head there for lunch, or where's the outdoor one? Artist Point is fun too. Super cool. I love this. Oh, Whispering Canyon. Love that place. So again, you've got more storage. Okay. We've got some outlets as well as USB, so that's great. Really like the headboard, really pretty. Bed, look, oh, bed is super soft. Now, because we have little kids, they're okay with sharing a pull-out. So this couch actually does pull out. But the nice part is like, if you've stayed at like Pop Century, when the pull-out bed comes over, you lose your table, right? So I don't love that. So one of the things I like is that we've actually got their place that we can then put back for them. And then we still have a place to be able to sit and eat. So, like that. Now I want to show you this really quick. This table is super cool. If we were going to have something to eat, watch what it does. Look, it pulls out. So it can almost be like another table, which I think is great, because then even though we don't have a full kitchen with like a kitchen table, we could sit here and eat, and then the kids could sit over there. Super beautiful. Love the colors in here. It's really warm and inviting. Let's go ahead and take a look outside. All right, let's take a look. Oh, we have a Boulder Creek view. Super pretty. But we can go sit outside. Now, it is July, so it is like 100 degrees right now, so not really sure I'm gonna go hang out outside, but I might. But look at all the beautiful nature over there. There's like butterflies. Super beautiful. And just the fact that we're in the lodge, I mean, absolutely love that. Love that. Well, we are going to go ahead and be sharing a lot more videos, but again, I just want to do a quick room tour so you guys can see how this looks if you're thinking about staying at Copper Creek. Absolutely love this. I really like the whole wilderness theming, and I think it feels like that. I mean, it feels like an elevated version of that, and I was afraid it wasn't going to, but I really feel like it is just an elevated version, and I like that. I think it's really beautiful. And the best part is when I come out of our door right here, we turn to the left and we walk for about 2 minutes and we're in the main lodge. So, I mean, that's amazing. So I will have a lot more footage and videos, so thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys have a great day. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you again soon. Take care, everybody. Well, thank you again for watching. If you haven't, I have a ton of Disney content as well as Wisconsin Dells and original art. I actually am an artist as well. So be sure to go ahead and subscribe. Take a look at all those older videos I've posted. Like this video. And if you have any questions, put them down below. I'll do my best to answer them. Take care, everybody. We'll see you again real soon.